to my live coding stream. I continue my work on a React app. It is close to be completed. I still need to finish some things. I want to add an app bar first of all. So let me show you how it looks now. Oh, I think it's not started right. Need to start everything. So I'm going to start React app with the usual yarn start. If you're using npm, you might be using npm start. Also Cypress, yarn Cypress open. I'm using Cypress as my testing framework. So now while it's starting, I will remind you what I'm actually working on. I'm working on an encryption app. You will be able to enter some input, then do some transforms on it. Currently this is just AES encrypt. Then you will be able to see output, the result of these transformations. So it's starting now, both are starting now. I have completed the functional part, but I want to add an app bar at the top. This is actually a desktop one-page app. I don't really want people to run it on mobile because I think there is no use case for this. People usually develop on desktop, so people who are looking for such tools, they will be usually developers who are developing their own encryption in their app, so they might want to check if they did it correctly or not. And what they will do, they will just Google encryption online to find an encryption tool which will do it for them. So now it started. You see, we see here input, output. I think I could set it to AES encrypt by default. Maybe this would be correct. Yeah, I think it would be correct to set it to AES encrypt by default. Okay, first let's run Cypress tests. I'm afraid some Cypress tests are going to break if I set it to encrypt by default. I think I can check it later. Setting by default, I finished the last stream on me working on an app bar. So let's continue from there. So app bar, I added it here. Yeah, but still wasn't showing yesterday. Let's check Cypress tests. Okay, so Now they finished, all tests finished successfully. Actually, that's because I commented out some of the last Cypress tests which are failing, which are related to bar. So let's uncomment this test 34 and make it the only one. This one checks if bar is visible, but it's not visible currently. So that's why it's failing. Let me check bar component. So this I actually took from Material UI help itself. So it's not like I myself made out this syntax. Why is it not working? I'm not completely sure. What's happening here? Okay, bar. So from what I can see, I'm using all these same styles. And so I don't know what to say here. I think height is not set, but let's set it to something. Maybe 10%. I'm still not seeing anything happening. 10 VH. VH means screen height. So 10 VH means 10% of screen height. Oops. Cypress. No, this is correct. Everything's correct here. I don't understand. Is it even rebuilding it? Because I'm not completely sure that it's even rebuilding it. Did it rebuild it at least once? I don't know if it rebuilt it after my changes. It doesn't look like rebuild is happening. Let me try to restart it. I think it might not be happening because I didn't make any changes after that. Anyway, a bar should be here somewhere. So somehow this does work if I set it here. But where did I set it to be? 10VH root, which is applied to this element. So this one might not be doing anything. So this is the root. This is the one I set height to 10VH, right? I don't see anywhere here 10VH. Do you see here 10VH? It's not here, right? How is it possible? But anyway, even if I set it, nothing's going to happen because it's not like it matters. Oh, let me try to Google material UI. A bar is invisible. Yeah, I don't see much about this. They completely copied the code from there. This is the part I don't completely understand. Okay, so this app bar contains some header element which is automatically created, I guess. And this header component seems to be invisible from what I understand. Okay, if I remove this root element altogether, and we will just leave the app bar. I don't know. Somehow everything is ignored. Only header I can see, but everything except the header is ignored, like it wasn't there. What if I copy just exact this code? Um, Hold on. I don't know. I can only think that there should be some bug in here, because even if we forget about the hide situation, still there is nothing inside apart from the header, right? There should be buttons also, but it's like they were ignored completely. I think yes, right. Ah, I used the wrong component name. App bar is the component name for material UI app bar. My component is called app bar component. That's what I didn't do. Somehow now I think I can do this. Let's try it now. Yeah, now it's much better. However, this should have this should have taken whole whole size, whole width which is not happening now. So for it to take whole width, we would want to let's go to main screen component. App bar component. Not sure what we need to set width to. But I'm guessing it's this header component we need to set width to. Width 100%. 100 VW. Yeah, width should be equal to 100% of screen width. 1 VW is 1% of screen width. So 100 VW is the whole screen width. Okay, let me correct this a little, the camera. Okay, so now that we know what we need to set this root width to 100 VW, right? Okay. Yeah, what I don't want this scroll bar here. So this height, I don't want to set this height, I want to just it to take the all remaining space. Actually, what I wanted to do, height, what if I set it to be 100%? Or it's not actually 100%, but instead, yeah, this should be 100 VW, I think. Yeah. But I'm afraid what might happen on some screens, it might get overlaid. So all this here might get behind the. Let me check actually what we'll have on different screen sizes. No, I think on any screen size this would look. Yeah, actually, screen size like phone screen sizes don't matter to me because I don't want it to work on phones anyway. I don't suppose people using it on phones. But other than that, let me set this screen width once again to 100%. Let's go back. What is 100%? 100% height. So this one, this page, which contains all pages, right? Main screen component, this classes page. So this page height I will set to 100% first of all, and its parent, which is its parent is theme provider here. But I think we will have this app, yes, and we still have CSS in this app, which we shouldn't have here. app logo. I don't even have this app logo anymore. All these CSSs I can move here. It will be pretty much the same, right? Let's hope nothing is going to change now. Yeah, it changed, but not because of my changes. Not because of the current changes. Up header, I don't even have that one. I think nothing is set to be up header, so I don't really need this. Yeah, spin. I don't really have spin because I don't have the logo anymore. So I don't need any of this CSS. I don't need to import this CSS anymore. Now let me set these heights to 100% of screen height. So I'm going to set height to 100% of screen height. Let's look at this window. I think it looks fine actually. Yeah, now this also succeeds. This 34 also succeeds. And I actually decided to change. I'm not going to make a menu on the app bar. I think I don't really need a menu. I only need Twitter and GitHub buttons and some copyright. Maybe name of the app here. Let's go to app bar. Let's go to the test. First of all, to the spec. So menu button I think I don't need. So let's first change this 34. I don't need menu button. I don't need menu button, but I need GitHub and Twitter buttons. I will just add here a minus so I don't change the numbering. Maybe later I will want a menu button and I will complete this one. Yeah, this one we don't need. This one we don't need. Okay, and I would add 42 when the user no 42 will be when the page loads. The user should see an app name. D equals TRS app name in the app bar. Okay, so let's now do these three tests. 36. y.get should exist. 37. I'm changing double quotes to single quotes so that I don't have to escape them. 37. I can even do it like this, since they all should be inside an app bar. I can add trs-app-bar before this, so that if these buttons are not in the app bar, this would fail. So let's now add also 41 app name, 42 I mean. TRS app name should exist. All right. Let me start with 36 with the GitHub icon. Okay. Let's go to the bar component and add this GitHub icon. Icon button, and I wonder if there is a GitHub icon like this from material UI icons. No, I think we'll have to make our own icon. I want a GitHub icon like this, you see. I wonder how is this done. So they have an SVG for this. Material UI custom icon. Okay, this SVG icon. Let me try this option. Okay, so they created like this here. think I can make it here, GitHub Icon TS6. GitHub Icon. As React refers to UMD global, but the current file is a module. Consider adding an import instead. What are they talking? I did not import React. That's what they're talking about. Like this. This should be fine now, I think. Yes. And path we will take directly from here. Yeah, this is the path we need. I think this should work pretty well. Maybe I need to capitalize H, but actually already I didn't capitalize it in the name, so whatever. Import GitHub icon from GitHub icon. Now we can use this as an icon button instead of this menu button. I will call it GitHub icon, of course. GitHub button. And ID I will need to set. What is the ID? This ID. Oops. Okay. Okay. Now you see we have a GitHub button here. Now after GitHub Twitter icon. I wonder if they have it inside here. Oh yeah, they have. So another Twitter icon I'm adding here. And ID I'm setting at dash Twitter button. So instead of this I will have app name. This login button I don't need. App name will be text transformer. And class name, I think this is fine. ID we need to set this ID from TRS app name. I'm setting it to this. I'm setting it to TRS app name. Yes. Okay, this one also works. I know this one I haven't checked yet, but I think it should be working. Yeah, 42 is working too. Let us check if no other tests broke first of all. Yeah, it is some styling issues here. Mm-hmm. Okay, now I want things to open in another window. I'm not sure how to check this in Cypress. Cypress, check if a link opens in another tab. Yeah, I think it doesn't support multiple tabs, so I can't really test this with Cypress. This is one of the drawbacks of the design. Anyway, uh, how do I do this? I don't remember completely. Open link in a new tab, JavaScript. URL, yeah, blank window open with blank, right? Um, Open link, link string. So I'm doing it window open link. Okay, link type. I think I will need some. I don't know. I can just for now. I can just store it somewhere. I have some preferences already, right? I thought I had at least. Index actions, transforms, TRS action, reducers. Where are those preferences which I used? There was some preferences, I think. I don't know. I think inside reducers I had them. Transform preferences here. Transform preferences. Okay, transform preferences. I can adjust preferences, I guess. Folder misc I will create, and here I can create just preferences. Yes. Sport const preferences equals links. Now we'll have Twitter. So I will give link to my Twitter. Here I'm giving link to my Twitter. And to GitHub. Yeah, and this is now GitHub link. So now I need to open those links from the buttons. So first need to import those. They will be imported automatically, I think, if I just... Okay, no. Capital. I want capital. Preferences. Okay, yes. So preferences and link type. No, not here. Here. And here, blank, so that it opens in a new tab. Yeah. Actually, this will always be a string. Links, yeah. I did it incorrect. Dot links. Element in place, blah 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 blah. No. What is this? I can just do it like this, of course. I think I can do this. My god. I think I have to make typings here. What? Not here. Here. I need to add the typing here. Links. String and string. Yeah, now this will be correct. Yeah, now this works. So they wanted a typing from me. Now, once someone clicks a button, let's say icon button, so click, no, what is this, on click. I was remembering Angular suddenly. On click, open link, and this is our GitHub button, so we want to open GitHub link here. Expected one argument, but okay, everything is fine. And when this button is clicked, it will go to Twitter page. Okay, so this should go to GitHub. This should go to Twitter. Okay. So let me check with Trello for now. I added several tickets, and several tickets I moved to. I removed. So let me check with the spec. Which of them? 34. 34 I completed. Done. 35 I decided not to do. So let's remove it. 36. 37 completed. 36, 37 completed. 38, 39 I removed. 38, 39 I removed. 40 and 41. And 42 are completed. Done. 41 and now also 42. Let me copy 42 from here. Okay, so I think I've completed everything I planned today. Pretty much, so let me commit. It's first time I completed everything I planned actually. Let me check that it's all working. Yeah, I think this looks more or less fine now. I would do some changes to some styling fixes. For example, what is happening currently when nothing is input here. These labels, why are they even visible? I don't understand. Now they should be visible, but somehow they're misplaced. So I think this I can check tomorrow, and I can start actually deploying this stuff. So I will buy a hosting. I will buy an instance, AWS instance, or maybe somewhere else. I will deploy this for production, and then need to add it, I think, to Google indexing and all this stuff. So let me commit it for today. Day 22. Now let me check if I added some new files. Yeah, of course I added. Also, I would like to check if there are any warnings. Yeah, there are warnings, because if there are warnings, then CI won't build it. Yeah, now no warnings. Day 22. I'm still this vulnerability there. Let me check React scripts if they fixed that vulnerability or not. No, it's called not React scripts, but React create React app. No, I think there should be 630 for this to be fixed, if I'm not mistaken. npm audit. Okay, I should have done yarn audit, and I should have done it here. Yarn audit. Okay. Version of ESLint utils greater or equal than 1.2 and blah blah blah. However, these ESLint utils are dependency of another package, which is ESLint. ESLint. What is the current version of ESLint here? In package.json, I don't actually see this dependency here at all. Yeah, because it's not here. It's inside package lock dot yarn lock. Where is yarn lock? Yeah, here. ESLint. The ESLint version I'm trying to understand. So yeah, they did not upgrade it, so this is pretty much it. It's still same version. Okay, if they didn't upgrade it, then there is no way for me to fix it anyway. I'll just push it. Well, I could make a what is this? Oh yeah, let me do this from here. I pushed it to master. I already pushed it before, I think. Let me check now my CI. travis-ci.org. I think it should be building now. Yeah, now it's building. Yeah, now we can see the latest version of the app here. Yeah, it should be working pretty much. Pretty much should be up, but there is no app bar. Yeah, it's still building. Yeah, still building. Only tests are completed, but it hasn't built yet. I think this is the previous build I'm looking at. No. Yeah, anyway, it's building. Once it's built, there will be an app bar here. So anyway, thank you for watching. If you liked the stream, subscribe for more, like, comments and questions are appreciated.